my Samsung smart door has this issue, which I think is going to be very common for everybody. So let me just show you the problem first. When a door is locked, right, this bob is supposed to be engaged and comes out. Let me show you what happens when I close the door. So if you hear the sound, you hear, it's the motor actually trying to engage and push this bob out, but it couldn't comes out. That's why then it starts to beep and has the error. And this is not the first time. So I have two doors that's the same model, and one of it failed a few months ago, and then now this failed again. I kind of guess that their lifespan just around 5 years. I don't want to change the whole lot because that will cost like about 600, which could be up to $1,000. So I actually purchased a new replacement part. So in this video I'm going to show how you can replace your own. So there's many screws, so it's best that you have a drill. Okay, first let's take off all the batteries. This part, yeah, it can be taken out. So 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 and 4. Okay. Once these 4 are out, you can open this up. Yeah, now there are more screws. You have to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can take out these 2 first, which is not hard. Take out this first. Okay, you can also take off this rubber tubing. Just be slightly careful here. Okay. Okay, this part is important. You have to take out this latch. Okay. When that happens, oh wait. Just remember, I have to take out the front part also. Just pull it out. Okay, see the okay, I'm pulling out the whole front part. Then we can now move out this whole thing. Okay, see, and replace. This is the thing that we want to replace. Okay, got it. And this is the new one. Now just put it back in. It should work. Everything should be like in the same place. Okay. Okay. Nice in. This pin very important. Has to be here. Okay, at this point of time, I can actually put part of it back and test that it's working first, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have enough hands and it's troublesome to test. So I'm just going to assemble the whole part as how you have seen how I've taken out. It's just the reverse process to screw it back on. So I'm not going to record the whole of it. So I'll show you the final working one, hopefully. So everything works. So you see, if I open the door, when you close, the bob comes out successfully. And there I fixed this door with just, I think I spent $60 from Shopee. So I'll post the link here.